later sa iba't ibang telenovelas at children's programs. Nakapagtapos ng kursong speech communication sa University of the Philippines. Can you give us a brief background? Anong para sa'yo ang voice acting?
Para sa akin, ang voice acting is a way of life. Voice acting is everywhere. Bago ka pa lang gumising sa umaga, pag binuksan mo ng radyo, may voice over ka na naririnig.
Yeah.
May nagsasabi sa'yo kung anong dapat mong bilhin, anong dapat mong kainin, gamitin mong toothbrush o toothpaste, suotin, lahat sinasabi ng isang voice over. Imagine mo ang isang radyo o TV na walang boses. And I believe voice acting, just like speech, is the most miraculous thing in this world. Because without speech, the world will perish. Personally, I want to promote voice acting as an art form.
Yeah.
Because it is actually an art. Isa siyang sining na kailangang i-hone o palaganapin na kahit mismo yung mga practitioner, hindi nila tinuturing itong isang sining. Akala nila isa lang tong tool, pero isa tong tool na dapat mas bigyan mo ng importance.